Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno, elder law, probate, guardianship, senior law attorney. I was presented with a situation today. It was by a colleague that was confronted with a situation, a friend of a friend, and asked me for advice. I figured I would answer here publicly. I did give my friend the information. So I didn't say, tune in tonight. I did think that it would be a good question. The scenario is a person had been divorced with children, and then they remarried. This person remarried, has been remarried for 5 years, and just passed away. No will. Could this be a case of unintentional disinheritance? Well, partially. When you have a blended family, when you have a second marriage, you really do need a will or an estate plan so that you can protect the legacy, the financial assets of the family, have money go the way you want it to, protect your children from a prior marriage. In this instance, because there is no will, and they owned a property and had some money in the bank, the spouse will receive under the laws of intestacy. So there'll be an administration proceeding. The spouse, the surviving spouse, will receive the first $50,000 and 50% of the balance. So if there was a bank account with $51,000, the surviving spouse would take $50,000 of it, and the remaining $1,000 plus any additional funds and the property would be subject to this 50% additional intestate share for the surviving spouse. The children would receive the balance. So 50% between children and spouse, with the spouse also getting the first $50,000. So mathematically, if the scenario was different, and I'll go back to my $51,000 bank account, if the $51,000 bank account was the total estate value, the spouse would be entitled to the first $50,000, and the next $1,000 of the 51 would be split 50-50. So in that scenario, the spouse would receive $50,500, and the children would split $500. So if there were 5 children, they each get $100. And that's why you need a will. And if you need a will, please reach out to me. FrankBrunoLaw.com. I actually have a theme song. My son wrote and sang a theme song, but I don't know how to get it onto these videos, so I should ultimately do that. It's really catchy.